This dealership, just my impression of walking around it, it's clean, it's up to date, they take pride in it. You know, everybody I've talked to loves it here.
Yeah.
Love the owners. I mean, you can't beat that. If you got a place like that, you got to stay. We visited Wilmes Superstore in Altus, Oklahoma. It is a Ford and Lincoln dealership. They also have a service department for collision repair. They're currently hiring for all positions within the dealership: sales, service for Ford and Lincoln, for their quick lube department, and for their collision center. The way you contact them is to fill out the QR code at the end of this video, and I get the information to you of who you need to talk to. This is a very nice dealership. Starting with their sales department, they have a very nice sales waiting area, very comfortable and modern. They had a couple of Broncos in there that we'll talk about in another video. This area is very comfortable, very modern. The inside of the dealership is very nice and clean. The service waiting area is just off to the side, and it's right next to the service drive area where you can pull onto the dealership to get your vehicle worked in. This area has a TV in it. It has complimentary coffee and teas and drinks. This also has an area there where you can sit and work if you needed to. There's the entrance to the service department. There is 4 awards. It's called the President's Award. Now, the President's Award is Ford's award to dealerships who provide the highest level of customer service, customer satisfaction, and overall customer experience every day. In order to earn the President's Award, Ford dealerships must exceed customer expectations every day. Inside the service department, the area was very large. It was set up a little bit different than a lot of the dealerships I've been in. The areas had very deep bays. In those, you could have 4 cars. If a technician had 2 bays, he could actually have 2 vehicles up on the lift area and then 2 vehicles parked behind. So this created an opportunity for a technician to be very productive. This was a very nice setup, and I kind of like the way it was set up. It had a door on each end of the building, so you could pull in one direction, angle the vehicle if you needed to, as you can see in the video here. And you could also, when you back out, you could go out the other side. This helps also if you're having to pull vehicles through that have not started, so you can pull them in and a vehicle can keep going out the other side of the door. It has a very nice and modern alignment rack area. The area where they keep special tools is in this room here. You can see they got a lot of special tools and equipment in there, kind of a transmission teardown room too. They do tires. They got all kinds of wheels and stuff and modifications that they can do to your vehicle. This dealership set up really well, and I like the way it's set up. They got a nice new tire balancing machine, a tire breakdown machine that does road force balancing, and they can do the custom wheels. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you or someone you know would like more information about employment at an Oklahoma Ford dealer, please contact me at 918-928-7433 or email me at fordokptc@gmail.com. For other videos like this, check out our YouTube channel, Oklahoma Ford Dealers Technician Connection. Subscribe and click the bell to be notified of new videos. Thank you. Have a great day.